Hello everyone, my name is Bansi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 uses of rice water for your skin and for your hair. Rice water I feel is such an amazing and versatile ingredient when it comes to skincare and hair care, and you can use it in so many different ways, and I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of them today. So without a further ado, let's get started. Rice water is very rich in amino acids, vitamins and minerals. Rice water is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Therefore, in a nutshell, rice water is brightening, soothing, calming, moisturizing and anti-aging. If you're someone who's not used rice water till date, then you should definitely include it in your skincare regime, and if not, you should at least give it a try. I'm pretty sure you would love it. So I've got two methods in which you can prepare your rice water. First one is the diluted one and the second one is a bit concentrated one. So for preparing the first rice water, that is the diluted form of rice water, you'll need 1 cup of rice. You can use any type of rice, white rice, brown rice, basmati rice, literally any type of rice. Just take 1 cup of rice, wash it thoroughly and pour in 4 cups of water and let it sit for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and you've got your rice water ready. For preparing second type of rice water, that is the concentrated one. It is nothing but the water that is left after you cook your rice. So the next time when you cook rice at home, don't throw the water. Instead, use it in many different ways that I'm going to share in this video. Beauty use number 1 is to use rice water as a toner. What you have to do is just mix equal quantities of rose water and rice water and your amazing toner is ready. It's gonna get rid of all the acne scars and acne marks and the open pores that you have on your face. And if you have to attend a special occasion or an event and you're not having time to just do a full-fledged facial, then just spray this toner on your face and your skin would be glowing after you use this toner. Beauty use number 2 is to use rice water in form of ice cubes. What you have to do is use equal quantities of milk, rose water and rice water, pour it in an ice tray and your ice cubes are ready. Now I've raved enough about how good ice cubes are for your face and for your skin in general, but I would say it once again that use one of these ice cubes in the morning and at night and it is definitely going to give you that glow on your skin. And ice cubes in general are really good for your skin, and when you have goodness of milk and rice water in it, then what else can you ask for? Beauty use number 3 is to use rice water as an after rinse for your hair. So you have to use fermented rice water when you're using it for your hair. It is a fact that fermented rice water is more beneficial than normal rice water for your hair. So for preparing fermented rice water, take 1 cup of rice, soak it in 4 to 5 cups of water and leave it on for about 12 to 24 hours, or when you start getting a kind of pungent smell in your rice water, that's when you know that your fermented rice water is ready. So for using it, after you have shampooed and conditioned your hair, pour this rice water all over your hair and your scalp, let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse it off. It is important to rinse this rice water off because it has a lot of proteins in it, and if you don't rinse it off, it is going to cause a protein overload in your hair. As I said, fermented rice water is really good for your hair. It leaves a nice shine to your hair, makes your hair frizz-free, but the only thing that matters to me while using it is the smell. It has this pungent kind of a smell that I'm not really fond of, so I researched about it a little bit and I came across this Chinese tribe of women who are really known for their long hair. And when I say long hair, I do really mean long hair that goes down to their knees or maybe even longer than that. And the only secret to their long hair is fermented rice water. So I'm gonna be sharing with you the recipe of how those Yao women make their fermented rice water. So they're not really particular about the measurements that they use. They're gonna be using my standard measurements. So it goes like, take 1 cup of rice, wash it and then pour 4 to 5 cups of water in it. Now rub the rice in between your palms for about 7 to 10 minutes and then strain the water. Now heat the water on low to medium flame and Add orange peels to it and heat it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then pour this mixture in a jar and leave it on for about 1 week. Yes, you heard it right. And I know it's a very long process, but the end results are gonna be worth all the efforts. So after 1 week, when I opened the jar, to my surprise, it was not smelling bad at all. Trust me guys, it does not smell bad at all. It has a really nice citrusy, sweet smell. Basically, it smells like oranges because we have put orange peels in it, and all in all, it smells really nice. Now, pour this mixture all over your hair and your scalp and drench your hair nicely in this solution and leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse it off with normal plain water. After I used it for the first time, I did not have to put any efforts in detangling my hair. My hair felt so soft, so shiny, so manageable, and it's gonna even remove any dandruff that you have on your scalp, and it is like liquid gold packed in a jar for your hair. Trust me, I'm not exaggerating. This is really good for your hair. Try it once and then let me know your result in the comments down below. Beauty use number 4 is to use rice water to treat sunburns. So mix a little bit of aloe vera gel with rice water and it's gonna work as a strong, potent mixture to really soothe and calm your sunburns, and it's gonna help in the healing process much faster. Beauty use number 5 is to use rice water as a liquid ingredient in whichever face pack that you might be using. So the next time, whenever you're making your favorite DIY face pack, use rice water as a liquid ingredient instead of normal water to get the goodness of all the ingredients of your face pack along with rice water in it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next video, bye!